So what we're on with here is the machine that we were on with showing a video yesterday. This is the Karcher 1000Be electric start Honda, 13 horsepower. So we've got it all off, the engine off, and what we're going to do is go into the workshop to show you what the findings are. And this is because, like I say, this machine is 2016. This poor chap has only used it for 4 or 5 months. He's had problems, he's been backwards and forwards to Karcher with it. Ever since he's got it, they've cost £750 to put a new head on and everything else and stuff. And obviously the problems continue to happen. So we're going to go and show you what's gone on inside. So this is the finding. Now if you look, you'll see that this has been gone for a long time because of the rust spot on it. The crank itself has totally snapped. It's also taken all the teeth out and chewed all the teeth up. Like I say, this is not the first time I have come across this. 2001 we had this fault during foot and mouth period. So like I say, totally knackered is this engine. Thank you very much, Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.